It's Beck here from ECOHEADS. Here are some helpful tips and tricks for the most effortless use and optimal results when using the ECOHEADS shower head. There are two easy ways to hold the shower head: grip on top or underneath. We always recommend using the ECOHEADS at full water pressure when rinsing. The strong but soft pressure stimulates blood flow on the scalp, which enables the hair to be more receptive for a better result for you and your client. Position the shower head against the hairline, aiming slightly away from your client's eyes. You will notice that there is minimal splash because of the unique aerated design. Hold 15 centimeters vertically above the hair when washing external layers. Spin the head upside down and set it gently against the nape of the neck. Again, you will notice that with full water pressure, there isn't any splashing, just strong but soft water flow.